Good day to you, gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. It's good to know you. I hope all is well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and become a member of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up for me. Here we go. Today, let's talk about unlocking the power of emotional intelligence. Gentlemen, this is a key to personal and professional success. Here we go. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions, as well as understanding the emotions of others. The entire concept encompasses several key components. 1. Self-awareness. 2. Self-regulation. 3. Social awareness. And 4. Relationship management. Today we're going to focus on the importance of self-awareness. I hope to give you a few tools that you can add to your modern man kit to help push you further in your life's journey. Being aware of oneself is really the foundation of emotional intelligence. It is the cornerstone of effective personal and professional relationships. Self-awareness gives you the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. It not only helps in making informed decisions, but also enhances interactions with others, developing a more empathetic and understanding environment. People who exhibit high levels of self-awareness are more adept at navigating complex social situations and managing relationships, because they can navigate their emotional responses and can mitigate impulsive reactions that may stem from stress or frustration. Having that ability leads to better decision-making, as choices can be made based on rational thought rather than emotional upheaval. And I'm sure we can all agree that when we make or have made decisions based out of emotions, the end result is not always the best for us in our lives and can even negatively impact the people who are the closest to us. Also, when you think about it, brothers, self-awareness allows us to acknowledge our limitations, and we all have them. Being self-aware, however, ultimately is what's driving our personal growth and professional development. Here are a few practical strategies for enhancing self-awareness, and they are invaluable for both personal and professional contexts. One effective method is journaling. Yes, gentlemen. Writing, not typing, not your iPad. Writing pen and paper. Handwriting, my brothers, recruits fine motor and sensory pathways that typing does not, and produces a richer memory trace. I'm not a neurologist, but I do play one when necessary. This practice, journaling, writing things down, encourages you to analyze your emotional responses and gives you insight into your own behaviors and thoughts. I have 2 more principles for you today, and I'll get out of your way. Seeking constructive feedback from peers and mentors can illuminate blind spots in our self-perception, leading to a deeper understanding of how actions are perceived by others. Remember, my brothers, people perceive us differently than we perceive ourselves. This is why the self-awareness trait is the most important. Having that said, this does not mean you become someone other than who you were meant to be. The feedback is only meant to use as a gauge. Self-awareness will allow you to hear what is true feedback versus toxic criticism. Lastly for today, my favorite principle, mindfulness practices such as meditation or prayer. These principles serve to heighten self-awareness. Deep breathing impacts us positively as well. It helps alleviate stress, stabilizes blood pressure, among other biological and neurological benefits. These techniques promote a moment-to-moment awareness of thoughts and feelings, enabling you to observe your emotional states with clarity. When you apply these techniques consistently, you will cultivate a heightened sense of self-awareness, paving the way for improved emotional intelligence. In our next video, we will dive deeper into this subject and discuss self-regulation skills. You know, self-control. Brothers, keep your head up. I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom.